Don't throw away those overripe banana bread, because in the next couple of minutes it will turn into the softest, most delicious banana bread you've ever tasted. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new to this channel, my name is Bose and this is Bose's Home Kitchen. And without wasting time, let's get started. In a bowl, combine the dry ingredients. I'm using plain flour, but you can use any other flour of choice. So add in your plain flour, baking soda, salt and cinnamon. The cinnamon is optional. Mix that together and please always sieve your flour, very important. After mixing them together, set aside. In another bowl, we start by mashing 3 ripe bananas. Yes, until it is smooth. The riper they are, the sweeter your bread will be. Crack into eggs. Add sugar to it. I'm using brown sugar. So if you want, you can use white sugar. Anyone is okay. Okay. Go ahead and pour in your melted butter. You can also substitute your melted butter with vegetable oil. Anyone is okay. A splash of milk and vanilla goes in next. This is what keeps the bread very moist and so soft. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the banana mixture, but do not overmix, because that's the secret to a tender loaf. Go ahead and grease your baking pan, because it's a mini banana bread, so you are going to grease it with some oil and then use a brush so that it can be helpful. Okay, grease it with oil and then go ahead and pour the batter into the grease pan. You can also tap it to release some air bubbles. I will go ahead and bake it for 170 degrees C for 25 minutes, and as I have said, everything is in the description box down below, the measurement and ingredients, in case you are interested. You can also use any topping of choice. I'm using chocolate chips. You can use nuts or any topping of choice, and you are good to go. And at this point, I think I will need to say thank you to every one of you. I will not stop saying thank you, as you all know that this channel is now monetized. So why won't I come here to say thank you to you guys for making this possible? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you. And voila, our mini banana bread is ready. It's so good. It came out so nice. One thing for you to know how when this banana bread is ready is for you to insert a toothpick inside, and when the toothpick comes out clean, it means your banana bread is ready. It's so pretty. Look at, guys, so many. This will be really perfect for dessert. It's so lovely. It came out so good. Okay, you can let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes, if you can wait. But if you can't wait, it's your choice. You can just slice and serve and enjoy this homemade mini banana bread with your family and loved ones, especially this festive season. Also join my channel membership to support the channel and unlock exclusive perk. Click join below. Thank you. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and we'll see you soon in my next video. I know that one bite of this banana bread, you will never wish to ride bananas again. Enjoy, guys. Bye.